Starting a business with AI is supposed to be really simple, but I somehow always end up navigating a dozen tools and paying for a bunch of subscriptions I don't want to be paying for, and honestly, I am super sick of it. So today, I'm gonna attempt to build an entire business using just one single tool, so we'll see how that goes. Basically, the premise is that I want to see if I can set up a whole business using only Hostinger agents. Now, my goal here is to create a few things. Now, first, a business plan, then an ideal customer profile and brand guide, a website, and in the end of it all, a marketing plan. And if you guys aren't aware, Agents is actually our new AI assistant that's designed to help with every part of this big plan I have. So basically, it's like having a little expert right here in my H panel. And by the way, if you guys want to try this yourselves or just want to follow along with what I'm gonna be doing, then there's actually a coupon code down below in the description. And also make sure you're subscribed so you can check out our other videos in this Build With Me series. There's loads of them and they're very, very interesting. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything we post in the future. Okay, so I've actually opened up a new chat in Hostinger Agents, and if I really want to, I can hone in on a specific skill, but if I just start chatting, this agent will actually know exactly which skill to pull from. And actually, I've had this idea at the back of my mind for so long. It's basically to sell meal prep containers that are reusable. So it's like an aluminum box, and it's eco-friendly, and it's really easy to ship with additional compartments for meal portions. It's like an old passion project that I've had, and I'm gonna try to make it come to life. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask the agent for some market research and also to do a competitors analysis to basically just decide whether or not this is a totally crazy idea or if it's actually worth my time. And now, as you can see, I put it on the screen, the agent actually brings back a pretty extensive validation report, and it's based on the agent's web search. And now, actually, if I scroll down, I even get like a quick start 5-point checklist of what to do in my next 48 hours. And now I can just keep chatting in this window to continue figuring out my idea, basically. Like, for example, I can ask and see if the aluminum is actually the right direction for me, or if maybe, like, let's say steel is a more eco-friendly option here. Okay, so honestly, the conversation with this agent is really great, but it's kind of hard to keep coming back to this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to have the agent create a business plan for me based on this research that I can download and then use to plan what I'll need for my business. Now, I can either download it or find it in the Files tab. Okay, now that I actually have my practical plan done, I'm gonna turn to the creative side of things, which is my favorite side of things. Now, basically what I wanna do is define more about my brand and my customers so that when I create my e-commerce site, it doesn't turn out to be super generic. So to do that, I want to really answer a couple of questions that I actually prepped before this. So the first one is the core. So the question why I exist. So my purpose, my values, my positioning, my personality, the stuff that no one sees directly, but that drives every decision I make about this business. The second one is expression. So how I show up. So basically my name, the logo, the colors, typography, taglines, tone of voice, basically the visible layer of my brand, and I'm super excited about this part specifically. And the third one is experience. So basically how people actually feel about my brand. So it means product quality, customer service, website, delivery, social media presence, reputation, you know, all of that stuff. So the layer that either proves or breaks my core, which was actually the first point. And now I typed all of this out in the AI agent, and I actually love how the AI agent is actually asking me follow-up questions to help me fill in the gaps that I might have missed before. Okay, so now I actually have the brand strategy that's organized by the framework I have above. And by the way, guys, I also have a guide to building a brand with AI linked down below in the descriptions if you want to check it out. It actually could be pretty useful. Okay, now I love that this agent actually created some brand name options for me. I mean, in my interview before with the agent, I actually mentioned being inspired by Tiffin boxes. And as you can see, one of the brand name suggestions is Tiffin Kitchen, which is actually pretty awesome. But as much as I like that name suggestion, I'm actually gonna go with Alumin as a brand name because it's just something that I've had in my head for such a long time and my heart tells me to go with it. Okay, so now I'm actually speeding up some of these screen recordings you're seeing on the screen, but basically I'm just using the brand strategy document to create my ideal customer profile, or you can say avatar. And an avatar, I didn't know this either, but it's basically an actual person you can talk to in your marketing and branding materials. So you can see on screen, Agents has come up with this avatar or persona named Sarah, and it's actually very, very useful because later on, I'll be able to refer back to Alumin and or Sarah in the other chats, and Agents will know exactly what I'm talking about. And by the way, just a quick side note, you can keep track of how many AI credits you're using in the top right-hand corner, and you basically get 1,000 AI credits per month, but you can top them up at any time. Okay, now again, I'm speeding up these screen recordings here, but as you can see, after chatting a little bit more with the agents, the agent actually created the logo for my brand, which now looks like this, and I really, honestly, really love it. So I'm going to lock this in and I'm gonna get started on my website. So at the end of this conversation with my agent, I basically have 3 options I can pick from. So first one is write my product description, second one is build my landing page strategy, or set up my email nurture sequence. And for anyone who's just starting out and doesn't really know what their next step should be, totally understand that, but this is perfect for exactly that situation. Now I'm going to use the agent to plan out the site structure and pages, and then I'm gonna write some copy once the whole structure is done. Now to actually do that, I'm just gonna continue writing in the chat, and it can continue to just pull from its memory, or you can also copy the files that were there previously created and put them into this conversation. Okay guys, now let's move on to the next part, and this part is actually really, really cool because without leaving Hostinger Agents at all or using any other tool, I'm gonna create a website with Hostinger's AI Builder for my brand. Now all I have to do is prompt it to create an AI Builder website using what agents already know about Alumin, which is my brand. So I already prompted it, and it literally created the whole site in just a couple of minutes, and now I can just continue to refine the idea, I can change the copy, tweak the design, and all that by just prompting. There's also an in-site editor that I can use to edit some things manually, but prompting it is just super easy, honestly. And of course, it also has e-commerce added, so I can just keep managing my website through HPanel basically, which is really cool. Okay, so shockingly enough, creating the website was actually super easy, but now for a second, let's just look at my checklist. So, business plan, check. An ideal customer profile and brand guide, check. A website, also check. Now, all I need is a marketing plan. Now, I want this marketing plan to actually include a rough social media and email campaign, and also have some keyword research and a sales outreach plan, since, I know that those are the 3 places I really want to focus my efforts on, especially at the beginning. And now I can actually see that it's using the customer profile I previously created to figure all of this marketing stuff out. And Agents actually created not only a whole social media campaign overview, but it's complete with content pillars, types, a rough calendar for the first 3 months, which is super cool. I didn't expect it to do all that. Plus, there's also a platform-specific strategy that focuses on Instagram and on TikTok, which are the 2 platforms that I had in mind as well, so this is perfect. And this makes a lot of sense since my ideal customer is actually from the younger generation, and those are the platforms that generation spends the most time on. Okay, and I actually figured out one more super cool thing. I can just ask agents to connect my account and post directly from the chat, which is extremely handy. Okay, now I have just one final touch left before I go, and that is a domain. Now, I'm gonna use the chat also to search for the right domain and check if it's actually available for me. And honestly, I want something that's not too, customer heavy, since I don't think my ideal customer will want that, honestly. And agents suggested alumin.life, and it's available. So, and I think it actually suits my brand perfectly, and it flows really well. So I think I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, so now I'm just quickly getting that registered, and I'm gonna connect it to the website I created earlier. And now there we go. It's live. All right, well, my full checklist is now complete. I've got a business plan, brand strategy, an ideal customer profile, a marketing plan, and a live website with a domain. Now, and I've done all of this using just one single tool, which I honestly didn't believe I could do at the start of this video, so I'm really happy about that. And if you guys want to try out hosting your agents for your own business, then you should definitely make sure to use the coupon code HA1. And if you want to learn a winning lead magnet formula to drive sales to your new business, then make sure to check out the video on the screen right now. And thank you for watching this one. Bye!